Hello, Prof. A lot of things are going wrong in our country today, especially in the area of our institutions of higher learning. An example is the case of Ladoke Akintola University of Technology. What do you have to say?
This impedimental, combustible, and volatile lemma, in its maximum exoneration, reminds me of the biblical Eloi, Eloi, lama sabachthani. Osun State and Oyo State governors. Why is this institution, Ladoke Akintola University of Technology, forsaken? What germinated the abnegation and repudiation of Ladoke Akintola University and our academic system macaronically? What happens to the funding? 4 years course metamorphosing into 6 years? Oh, what an academic mwahaha! Academic yo-ho-ho caused by these political yo-yos, political yobos, in their leadership rococo, leadership rababaration, in conjunction with administrative bemusement, holy bully, and discombobulation, in their obstreperous, malevolent shenanigan and hocus pocus agenda. Governor Ajimobi, Governor Aregbesola, you have discommoded and flustered 34,000 students irreparably. Your boo-boo has put the academic pursuit of these students into your business. The bifurcation and abdication of the vision of these students has left most parents flummoxed, electorates flummoxed. That is to say, the life and future of these students means nothing to the government. But there is this saying, an idle mind is the devil's workshop. Throwing these students into the street to hawk pure water, bread, and what have you is a security risk. Security threat of the highest order. Governor Ajimobi and Governor Aregbesola, who abandoned Ladoke Akintola University of Technology as a kabudu rejectimenta for lack of funds, have gone ahead to establish universities in their various states in the name of honorific abilitudinitatibus, just to score cheap political points, living the disgruntled life of this student Floxina Osini Hilipilificating. Yes, you see the stilty and furtive acts of these rambunctious governors, politicos of torrent rodomontates and defalcators, that you and I know the lab annotation of their eleemosinaries, ostentatious and libidinous lifestyle shows that they are out to deplete these students of their palatable future. Oh, I call on the acting president of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, Professor Yemi Osinbajo, the Senate President Bukola Saraki, the Speaker of the House of Representatives Yakubu Dogara, and my academic superiors, Professor Wole Soyinka, Femi Falana-San, and the host of them, to rise up just now and say no to this barbituration, dilapidation, obliteration, mutilation, decapitation, and annihilation of Ladoke Akintola University of Technology. Say no to this academic bantigism, academic noctambulism, and academic malocclusion, which their children are not part of. Governor Ajimobi, Governor Aregbesola, until you ameliorate the transmogrification of this academic calendar, we will not go toe in your poho. That is to say, the entire academians of Ladoke Akintola University of Technology, Nigerians, and I, the Egbegbo Yawan of Edo land, will not go toe in your poho. Thank you.
All right, Prof. Thank you very much, sir.
You're welcome.